Welcome to GC Reddy Technologies. Introduction to database technologies. Database. It is an important component in the IT environment. Software developers, especially database developers, software testers, database testers, and DBAs, database administrators, must aware of database testing, database technologies. Okay, this awareness is required for almost all IT professionals. Introduction to database technologies. What is data? Data is a collection of facts that has been translated into a form that computer can process, that computers can process. See, a collection of facts that has been translated into a form that computers can process. Data can be qualitative and quantitative. See, two types: qualitative data and quantitative data. What is qualitative data? Qualitative data is descriptive information. It describes something. Next, quantitative data is numerical information, numbers. See, in another classification, we have different types of data. Personal data. Personal data is anything that is specific to a person. It covers demographics, location, email address, and other identification details. Next, organizational data. Organizational data is related to the fundamental characteristics of organizations. Organizational data has many use cases, most notably market research, as well as the segmentation of sales and market prospects. Organizational data can also be used to augment data of other sorts. Next, transactional data. Transactional data is anything that requires an action to collect. You might click on add. You might click on an ad, make a purchase, visit a certain web page, etc. Come under transactional data. Next, sensor data. Sensor data is produced by objects that is often referred to as the Internet of Things, IoT. Next, what are the important characteristics of data? See, data has three important characteristics. One is type of data, data type, numeric, text means technical string, text. Next, character, single character, number, number integer. Next, number with decimal places, float, etc. Type of data. Next, size of data. Suppose phone number, 10-digit numeric values. 10-digit is size of data. Numeric is type of data. Next, range of data. Type of data, size of data, range of data. Range of data, for example, interest rates in banking application, 1 to 45 days, 1 to 45, range of data, 1 to 45 days, interest rate 4%, 46 to 180 days, 5%. Next, 181 days to 365 days, 6%. 1 to 2 years, 7%. 2 to 3 years, for example, 8%. 3 to 5 years, for example, 9%. This is range of data. For example, in recruitment applications, governmental recruitment applications, eligible age minimum 18 years or minimum 21 years, candidate age minimum 21 years, maximum 35 years, 25 to 35, 21 to 35 range of data. Suppose for physically handicapped, 10 years age relaxation. That is okay. That is a decision for physically handicapped 21 to 45 years. See, this is range of data. See, type of data, size of data, range of data. These are the important characteristics of data. Next, what is data type? In computer science, a data type is an attribute of data that tells the compiler or interpreter sorry, how the program intends to use the data. Most programming languages support basic data types of integer numbers, floating point numbers, text means string, characters, single characters, and booleans. Booleans means logical values, true, false, nothing. True, false. Next, common examples of data types. String. String is technical term. General English term is text. Text. For example, India is text. GC Reddy, name, it is text. Number, 100 is number. Floating point number, 10.321. It is number with decimal places. Next, character, single character. Y, N, single character. Boolean, logical value, true or false. Next, void. Void means no data, no value, date format, currency format, etc. See. Next, what is database? A database is an organized collection of data so that it can be easily accessed and managed. Next, what are the two major types of databases? Say, in general orientation, if we asked any question regarding what are the types of databases, personal database, organizational database, next network database, distributed database, cloud database, etc. That is different classification. But primarily, basically, we have two types of databases. One is SQL databases or relational databases. They support table format, rows and columns. Next, NoSQL. NoSQL stands for not only SQL. NoSQL databases are non-relational databases. They support different formats, file formats, okay, document formats. Next, what is SQL database? SQL stands for structured query language. Structured query language, more than 40 years old. First released in 1978 by IBM, but open source. It is not proprietary language, open source. Anybody can use. SQL stands for structured query language, released in 1978 by IBM. It is ANSI, American National Standards Institution standard. It is used for relational databases. It is a database language to manage relational databases. A SQL database is a collection of tables that stores a specific set of structured data. Example for SQL or relational databases are Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL is open source. Next, IBM DB2, etc. Next, what is NoSQL? NoSQL, not only SQL. NoSQL databases are non-tabular databases and store data differently than relational tables. NoSQL databases come in a variety of types based on their data model. The main types are document, key value pairs, wide column, and graph. They provide flexible schemas and scale easily with large amounts of data and high user loads. Examples for NoSQL databases: MongoDB, CouchDB, HBase, Cassandra, React, etc. Next, what is big data? Nowadays trending term. What is big data? A massive value of structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data that is too large to process using traditional database and software technologies. Examples for big data: stock exchange data, social media data, etc. Huge data. Next, what is data warehouse? A data warehouse is a data management system that uses data from multiple sources to promote business intelligence. Next, what is metadata? Metadata is a summary of information about a data set. Suppose if you compose any email, then it will assign some 70 KB, 1 MB like data size. That is metadata. Metadata means data about data. Metadata is a summary of information about a data set. Next, what is raw data? Raw data means information that has been collected but not formatted or analyzed. Next, what is master data? It is important. Master data is the core data that is absolutely essential for running operations within a business enterprise or unit. Master data is the set of identifications that provides context about business data, such as location, customer, product, etc. For example, you take banking application. Say in banking application user interface, we conduct some business operations, balance inquiry, money transfer, bill payments, etc. Loans, term deposits also available. Who provides that data? Suppose for personal loan, 13% interest. For agriculture loan, 9% interest. Who provides that master data? Admin users provide that master data in admin interface. Generally, we access user interface for conducting business operations. ICICIbank.com, it is user interface. In admin interface, admin users provide master data. Suppose types of loans: gold loans, agriculture loans, industrial loans, educational loans, personal loans. Next, personal loans interest rate 13%, gold loans suppose 12%, agriculture loans 9%, industrial loans 7%. Admin users provides that master data in admin interface. End users use that data. Suppose next month onwards, our bank is introducing new loan. That admin user provides that new loan information in admin interface. End users use the data in user interface. See, master data, required data for running the application. Next, what is data integrity? It is an important item, important task, or important activity in database technologies. Data integrity. Data integrity refers to the accuracy and consistency of data stored in a database or a data warehouse. Data with integrity is said to have a complete structure. Next, last one in this video. What is real-time data? RTD. RTD stands for real-time data. Real-time data is information that is delivered immediately after collection. An example of real-time data is when journalists show live footage from an accident scene. Next, marketing campaigns, financial trading, e-commerce purchases, weather events, utility service usage, geolocation of people and things, etc. are also examples for real-time data. Thank you.